Hello, culinary explorers. I'm Chef David, your virtual culinary instructor from CSOC, Chef Sujith in search of culinary knowledge. Today we will explore the anatomy of one of the most important tools in every professional kitchen, the chef's knife. Let's begin. Culinary Hologram System. Activate. Blade. This is the blade, the primary working part of the knife. It performs most of the cutting, slicing, and chopping tasks. Point. At the very front is the point. This tiny area is ideal for piercing and precision work. Tip. Just behind the point is the tip. Chefs use the tip for delicate tasks requiring accuracy and control. Spine. The spine is the unsharpened top edge of the blade. It provides strength, stability, and balance. Cutting edge. This sharpened section is the cutting edge. It is responsible for performing the actual cutting action. Heel. Near the handle is the heel. Being the strongest part of the cutting edge, it is used for tougher cutting tasks. Bolster. The bolster connects the blade to the handle. It improves balance and helps protect the user's fingers. Tang. Inside the handle lies the tang. This extension of the blade provides strength, durability, and stability to the knife. Rivets. The rivets secure the handle scales to the tang, ensuring the knife remains firmly assembled during use. Handle, scales. The handle, also known as the scales, provides comfort, grip, and control while working. Butt. At the rear end of the knife is the butt. It completes the handle and contributes to overall balance. Every part of a knife has a specific purpose. Understanding its anatomy helps improve safety, efficiency, and professional knife skills. This is Chef David, and you've just explored the anatomy of a chef's knife through the Culinary Hologram System. This is Chef David from CSOC. See you in the next lesson.